instructors here are very knowledgeable of the information that technical courses, and they also have put personal interest in with the students and their curriculum that they teach. And that is one reason why I think that the students would like to take classes here at Bluegrass Community College. The advantage of taking classes here at Bluegrass versus a big university is the least amount of numbers in the class. You don't get caught up in numbers, and the instructors try their best to make it a personal relationship with each student. They try to learn all the students' names and become friends with them also, as well as a instructor with them. The advantage is that with the electrical technology, that once a student completes the course, that they will be given 3 years of experience toward their license versus a person coming right off the street will be starting at ground zero. So they will have a couple of years or 3 years advantage over that person, and also they will have some actual knowledge of the electrical concepts. If they do not take these classes or courses, they will have to go back and get the information of the basic concepts of electricity versus a student that comes straight out of technical community college that they already have this information. I teach EET 154 and 155, which is Electrical Construction 1, and in Electrical Construction 1 is a lot of book work. They getting the fundamentals down, and then we get into EET 252 and 253, which is Construction Wiring 2, where they actually put a little more of that information they get from the book into practice, and they learn conduit bending, how to wire up panels, how to wire up a house, and also we try to get into some live work if possible. We're going to take a field trip here this coming Monday to a construction site to let the students see what it is that actually goes on a real construction site. And also I teach EET 250, which is National Electric Codes, where they learn how to interpret the codes and the violations and regulations versus for the electrical programs and electrical construction and residential wiring and industrial wiring, so that they can take their licensing test to hopefully to pass it once they complete the courses here at Bluegrass. The jobs totally depend on what area they're looking at. They could go to a construction electrical job where they're working on a construction job site, and the money varies, depends on the company and the size of the company, and whether it's a scale job meaning they're working for like government jobs where that they have to pay scale wages that are usually double what the regular contractors will pay. Industrial would be working in a factory like Ford Motor Companies or Toyota manufacturing, where that they could possibly make good money also, not as much as scale wages, but comparable. And then they can work in the residential area, where they work for a residential contractor. The money is not as great in the residential area, but they still